Good morning, guys. Really quick video about how I do my baby hairs. It's been a long time since I did my baby hairs on camera, as well as doing my lock videos, but I'm trying to jump back into the routine. So this is one of my favorite gels. It's the Eco Styler gel. This one says it has argan oil. Normally I use the olive oil. Just got it yesterday, and I always use a toothbrush, so I like to wet my toothbrush a little bit, step back. I like to pull out the hairs that I want to play with for my baby hair design, and only that's it. I don't pull out too much hair. So this is how I'm starting. I actually put some gel on my toothbrush like this, put it on my hand, and then I comb down the gel over the baby hairs I want to play with on both sides. Sometimes the cool trick is to let the gel dry just a little bit, and then you do your style. But I'm pressed. I gotta get up out of here soon, so I'm gonna start. I'm gonna put my finger here and go for my first one. Right under there, I have a swoop. Now I'm gonna put the brush right back on that swoop. Put my finger there again. One more swoop. Put my finger here again. Comb down a little bit. Brush. One more scoop. Swoop. Sorry, I'm saying scoop. Swoop. So that's the side profile of the baby hairs. Now I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. Now I learn pretty much one side never looks like the other, so one side always looks a little bit different. And that's what I do. If you want to get real jazz, you can definitely use like a rat tail comb as well to get all those details and cuteness. But this is how my baby hairs came out for today. I'm gonna touch up around, probably put a little bit more gel so they can stick. It's supposed to be 89 degrees. So that humidity may make me lose some of these baby hairs. So I'm gonna probably put a little bit more gel on my finger. I rinse off my toothbrush. I don't want it caked up with gel because then it gets all gooey. But here's a little bit more gel on my hand. I'm gonna go over the swoops with gel just so it can stick. Because again, I sweat heavy. I have this condition where I over sweat. So yeah, I need to get to it. And anything that you want, anything that's come undone, you can just fix it with your little toothbrush. So I'm gonna go back to my little toothbrush. I'm satisfied with my style. I'm gonna just go in for the little details, and I am done. Baby hairs are just that simple. I feel like the nicer quality, thinner texture your hair is, the easier it is to do baby hairs. The curlier, coilier, thicker your hair is, it's harder to do baby hairs because you need to find the right gel to keep the hairs down. And sometimes that's the big struggle. So this is how my baby hairs is looking. So let me give y'all the close up.